Okay, boys.
We're live.
We are live. How's it going, everyone? Okay, first and foremost, we have big plans coming very soon. It's in the works. And that would be our Discord channel. Okay, we're dead set on this to be the party hub. Okay? And back when we were live streaming on AlphaDrop, we had 100, 200 live concurrent views. We had 2,000, 3,000 views. I know the party is big. Everyone is still asking me till this day, Ron, where's the new YouTube channel? Where's the new YouTube channel? This is the new YouTube channel, okay? This is the new, not this one. This is the new YouTube channel. And we want to keep in touch with you guys. If you have any questions, not just for me, if you want to ask Martin, if you want to ask Michael, we also have former Bybit champion coming to the Discord channel. If you also have any questions with each other, come to Discord, okay? It's completely free. We're not selling any course here. This is a community and we want to keep in close touch with you guys. It's going to be so awesome. Okay, because it's a very hectic time right now. We need each other. All right, we need each other. Martin, help me.
Yep.
Type shit. Okay, so come on in, join, and let me know who you are as well, because we really want to also give OG roles to our AlphaDrop viewers. If you've been watching us for the past year, even more OG the past 2 years, come on in, okay? Woo! We got a lot of chat here. We got Delirium. Note is here. Deepash Tapa. Oh my god, I haven't seen that name in a long time. Let me see. Pull up the chat.
Yeah, we got Tona Lua Chefe here.
Tona
Hope
La
I'm saying your name
Chefe.
correctly. But guys, make sure you're in the Discord. We have a lot of things coming. I think December is a great time to give. So we just want to give back, share some alpha, and also what we're up to in terms of trading, because right now, the market, how's the market doing?
The market currently is dumping.
It's dumping, right?
Okay.
It's dumping. So I think a lot of people are confused and they don't know what to do. Discord is going to be where you want to hang out in. We got a lot of traders.
Yes, sir.
I think we're going to be stepping up when it comes to trading. Not just us, but we're going to assemble the Avengers, essentially. The top people from Asia are going to be here. We are pretty connected in terms of Asia.
Yup.
So we're going to onboard a bunch of people, a lot of big figures in the space. So guys, it's free. And think about the access, right? Because these people, they're big and they know what they're doing.
Yep.
And this is like your way to get into their minds, tap into their minds. So I highly suggest you join in.
Yes. Does AlphaDrop have Discord? This is the Discord now, Timojin. This is the Discord now. Box Mining Trades. Okay. Don't forget about Box Nation. Come here to Box Mining Trades. We're gonna be here live 24/7. All right. And please let us know who you are. How long have you been watching us? Drop your comment down here in the general chat. We'll give you an OG role, because we really value you guys sticking with us for the past 2 years. It's been amazing, man.
Only the first 100.
Only the first 100? Okay, but if I don't know, we got Zeno. Where's Zeno at? I don't see Zeno here right now. Right? Where's Ibuka Tony? Where'd you go? Where's Ibuka Tony? Someone DM him, man. Ring him up. Fucking yo, Ibuka Tony, the party's back on. All right, let him know. Okay, we'll give you the role. Ooh, bro, really is here. Who's bro, really? Let me know. Okay, lots of exciting things coming. And we'll also do one-on-one sessions or even group sessions. All right, so we just chat, we talk. I let you know how my thought process is when you trade, when I trade, and then if you also want to share your thought process, we can discuss. Because really, over the past 3 months, I've also been doing live reviews with my friends, my real life friends, and this has been a very amazing opportunity to learn, not just from my mistakes, but also from their mistakes and what could be done better. So I realize even until now, okay, the edge for crypto is so much smaller for compared to commodities, compared to gold, compared to forex pairs, because those are much more liquid. But I still refuse to believe that there is like the possibility of an edge for crypto trading is like not there. So meaning like I believe we will find that edge together. Okay.
Yep.
In gold, in forex pairs, it's much easier to trade because it's much more liquid, range bound condition. Okay, we'll talk about that next time. But you know what I mean. Okay.
Big Tuna says, "Where's the damn link? Go check out our
Here.
Go check out our profiles.
Here,
Should be over there.
Go to me channel. Okay, I put it in the description. Here you go. Okay, here you go. Join our Discord. Come. Tuna, Big Tuna, come.
I think Big Tuna's commenting on X, so our X profile should work as well.
Okay, yeah. Also X profile. Remember to follow me and follow Martin as well. I quote tweeted here. So if you're not on YouTube, you can hear also on X. Okay. The Discord link is here. Also be patient with us guys because this will take a while to build up, but it's gonna be fun. Okay. Every year the party has been bigger and bigger and bigger, but YouTube slapped us with a ban on AlphaDrop and back to square one again. But I promise you this journey is gonna be even more exciting because the money is where trading is at.
How's trades going, guys?
Yo, look.
Yes.
It's Michael.
Hey, what's up?
Come on in.
We'll
Come
stay in the
on
middle.
in.
Nah,
Yeah.
I'm okay.
Yeah, right there.
I'm alive. How's everyone?
How's everyone? Yeah, chilling.
Good. Everyone's joining the
Hey,
Discord.
I see you're on YouTube too.
Yeah, YouTube
Oh,
and X.
nice. So see, not leaving resources on the table. You know, like, more money on the table. That's my favorite phrase. But what's up, guys? There's a lot to do right now. Actually, I know markets are shit. I know airdrops are shit.
Yeah.
But hey, I think there's an opportunity in a sense that a lot of people think the markets are dead. A lot of people think it's a 4-year cycle. But hey, there's a lot of opportunities for proving people wrong.
Yup.
So I'm very excited to do more content this week as well. So make sure you follow Box Mining. Make sure you come in the chat. We're gonna have a chat with you guys soon. Christmas is coming up, so we want to have some. Well, it's like a relief package.
Yeah.
A relief
Sure.
relief celebration. some bear hugs for everyone. So it's gonna be exciting.
Yeah.
It'd be cool. I need to change my hoodie. I need to get a new hoodie. I think we want to do some trading hoodies, like Ron trades, Michael trades.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Martin
Yes,
trades.
Sirski.
Yeah. All right.
Cool.
All right, so please, okay. There's no way that we only have 20 AlphaDrop OGs. Okay, we have 120. Hit them up. DM them on X. Tell them to come because I think one of them was busy. Who was it was busy? Dixie's been busy. Dixie says he's busy in IRL. He had no time to check some shit. So bang him up. What? Hit him up. Tell him to come. Okay.
Yep.
Blink twice if you're afraid. Okay, let's take some time to also talk about what's going on right now because this dump is intentional. You see how you noticed that the dump occurred when Tokyo session opened. Okay, this is 8 a.m. our time, 8 a.m. Hong Kong time, 0 UTC. BTC immediately nuked. Is this a coincidence? I've been warning you guys about the Japan carry trade unwind. Okay, you don't believe me? Look. BlackRock has been buying up gold, more specifically ETC securities, issuing 585,000 gold ETC securities. So what does this mean? They're preparing for a hedge. Okay, there's clearly a demand with gold right now. Speaking of gold, let's see what it's at 4,250. Every time there's a nuke for gold on a low time frame, it gets absorbed and creates a new high. You can see here also, nuke, come back up, waiting to take out this high. But all in all, the movement for gold is strong. Investors are preparing for a hedge. They're preparing gold for the next hedge. And let me explain to you how this ties in to Japan. Okay? Why the Japanese suddenly woke up and they're like, unload the position, all of them, for BTC. Unload. Get ready to buy up yen. That's what they're saying, okay? If you don't know what's going on, this is one of the charts that you should be aware of. This is the Japan's stock indices, okay? Forward price earnings ratio chart. In other words, it's the expectation of where companies in Japan, specifically in the Nikkei index, where their earnings per share in the future looks like, okay? And look, it looks really, really good, right? You've had this pump, but everyone's asking the question, why has the Japanese stock market shot up so much, despite the yen looking like a meme coin right now. Okay, right now in the low time frame, it's pumping, and you can see that correlation. But like, man, this is a meme coin, right? The yen. The yen is devaluing, but as of today, it's no coincidence that on the yen futures, it's shooting up slowly as risk-on assets are dumping. Investors are in some way rotating money from risk-on assets such as BTC and equities over to yen.
Okay, so what does that mean?
That means the world is still preparing for a big move. They're preparing for what's going to happen on December 19th, interest rate. Okay? What we're seeing right now is potentially Japanese investors pricing in the move that they're going to be raising interest rates on December 19th. That's when the Bank of Japan will decide whether they're going to raise or hold. Very likely it's going to be raise. Okay? Here's a couple of facts. Japan's GDP has contracted for 2 quarters in a row now. That's not good. You've got the devaluation of the yen coming into play real time. It's just dropping on the high time frame. Okay? And you've got the USD JPY pair trading at intervention levels. This is when governments have to step in to buy one pair for the other. Let's see where USD JPY right now is. At 155. It's been declining. It went to as high as 150. Oh my god. 16. No, sorry. We're here. It's still climbing. It went to as high as 157 in terms of local range. Okay? So, right now, Japan's like, what are we going to do? Right? It's not that what they're not going to do. It's more so what are they preparing for. Okay? Off of this, you can tell over the past 2 years, especially so, okay, investors are going into Japanese stocks. This is no surprise. Warren Buffett has been buying Japanese stocks, right? And he's piling up in Japanese stocks. TSMC, this is the golden boy of the Magnificent Seven, right? They're the ones that are producing the chips for NVIDIA, for all of the AI companies, but more so for NVIDIA. What have they been doing? They are currently building a factory in Japan to service semiconductors. And as of recent, you can see production and manufacturing rises to 40.7%. If manufacturing is increasing, what else is increasing? Foreign investors. Okay, Japanese stock market largely driven by funds from corporate share buybacks and foreign investment. The blue line is foreign investment and the black line is businesses in Japan. Okay, with the yen right now devaluing, but also at the same time, this is popping up in the headlines now, especially in crypto headlines. Here. Oh my god. The yields. Japanese yields at 1.872%. That is way too high. It's not sustainable, especially when you have the past 2 quarters of Japan's GDP contracting and the yen looking like a meme coin. They have to do something about it. Okay? And how is this going to spill over into crypto? Namely, Bitcoin. Okay? We've seen this happen before. We have seen this happen before. August 5th, 2025. Okay? And what I'm trying to say to you, if there's a takeaway from this whole Japan story and how it's going to affect BTC, is this. If Japan raise their interest rates on December 19th, and what we're seeing right now is potentially pricing in that move, is once they raise rates, it's very likely this scenario can happen again. The carry trade unwind might be coming into play again. That means the value, okay, of the dollar is going to come down, but that also means equities, US equities, that's your tech stocks, okay, they might also come down. Because the same participants that borrowed yen and converted it to dollars will need to get those dollars sold back into yen. And that means untying those dollars that they've got in the stock market and then returning it back in yen. All right. And Bitcoin is subject to that because we don't know. All right. We don't know how, inside of these ETF, we don't know how many people are actually using yen to buy assets. We don't know. Okay. But the last time when they did the unwind of the carry, apparently it's $4.5 trillion left for it to unwind. And that was the very big carry trade crash that happened on August 5th. If that's the case again in August, this can happen again. And what we're seeing right now is just the first wave. They're sending out the scouts to unload their position. Okay? But man, I'm telling you, December 19th, mark that on your calendar. Okay? And there's also some counter arguments. Some people on CT are like, well, isn't Bitcoin designed to counteract this, right? Like in times of economic uncertainty, we just buy Bitcoin, right? Of course, right? Philosophically, we are a crypto native people. We know that Bitcoin is designed for this sort of situations. But what you also have to understand is Wall Street is in. We've invited Wall Street to come in, and this is what they're doing. They treat Bitcoin like how we treat meme coins. Okay, when it's uncertain for them, they're gonna yeet it out. They're gonna yeet it out and follow where the big monies are gonna be, which is clearly Japanese stocks. They're waiting for interest rates to raise. That way, it's gonna be more sustainable. And plus, manufacturing costs high, demand in business high in Japan. That also means wage inflation. Yes, forgot to talk about that wage inflation. Here. Look, percentage of Japanese companies supporting pay raises has been rising since 2018. Everyone in Japan knows. You're working in Japan, you'd be like, ooh, there's a lot of manufacturing going on.
They're getting raises. That's good.
They're getting raises, right? They're like, yo, boss, man, we have to do another project. Can we get a raise?
And Japanese, more often than not, saying yes.
Yes, right? Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato.
All right, and we want this. All right, so you can't really support these when you have the yen devaluing, but also at the same time the yields are high as fuck because where's the money gonna come from, right? So mark my words, mark your calendar. December 19th gonna be hella hectic.
So a very important day.
Yeah.
I wonder. My first thought is I wonder if there's a pulley market.
Oh yeah, let's see.
I don't think so.
Pulley market,
but maybe.
Will China invade Taiwan? That was the first thing I saw. What? Did you see that? Here,
what?
Will China invade Taiwan?
Shit.
15% chance. Well, that's what Michael said. He's like, they're never gonna invade. They're never gonna invade Japan. Okay. Yeah, 57% odds for 25 basis point increase, which is the consensus forecast. Okay, so the takeaway is if you don't really understand what I said there, is
mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
Powerhouse of the cell.
Powerhouse of the cell. Basically, it's still uncertain, okay? But you also have to think in the perspective of what are these people doing? The clients of BlackRock, they've just been, yes, the net inflow is positive, but in the grand scheme of things, in the past 3 months, it's net outflow of $12 billion. They've just been unloading. And we don't even know what's inside the ETF. What are they using to purchase these ETFs? Is it US dollar or is it yen that they've borrowed, right? So that also has influence in Bitcoin's price. And as we've seen in last year, these purchases are made with yen, okay? Borrowed yen, all right? So in terms of price action, where does that leave us? So hopefully this is just the bottom wick for now, because I still feel that it's necessary for us to correct 50% of this week, or October, the 27th October week, the 3rd November week, the 10th November week, the 17th November week. Last week we closed bullish. Right now we are trading below last week's close. Okay, that was this morning. And it's a bit concerning because we are now trading below the open of last week. If it's gonna be a bottom wick, this better be this session, and it's better be in New York session. We reverse up here, hopefully to fill this area, then do whatever it wants. Okay, but if you're worried that BTC will ever break below here, this could be in line with the narrative of the Japan carry trade, because this also, you know, how do we say this? The QT ending, right? QT ending today, yeah? QT ending today. Historically speaking, well, according to Benjamin Cohen, the first few months after QT ends, and the last time QT ended was QT 2019 and August 2019. Give me the date, man, the exact date. September 19, right? That was the last end of QT. So where was Bitcoin at the end of the last QT? End. September. Here. QT ended 2019. Then you had the slump. And it just continued to range down. It tried to take over. Tried to reclaim the lower high, but it continued to slump down. Then eventually you have this rally. So if you're expecting BTC to rally to new all-time high, I'm thinking it's going to take a while. It might play out something like this, because it's no longer 4-year cycle anymore, guys. At least that's what I think. At least that's what Michael thinks. What do you think, Martin? You think it's 4-year cycle, or is it...
No,
right? That means we're transitioning into business cycle, okay? Business cycle meaning these clients of BlackRock's, these boomers these boomers who don't know how to create their own Bitcoin wallet and buy Bitcoin by themselves. They just like, it doesn't seem legit. I don't know how to do this thing. BlackRock, help me take care of it. They are the ones that are most affecting the order books right now. Okay. So, following that camp, 4-year cycle is dead. 4-year cycle is dead. So we just need to be patient. But then it is scary, right? I mean, we do have 2 consecutive weekly closes below 100K, which we did speak of. So the momentum wise is still not there. So if there's going to be any pump, we want to see where price is going to react once it corrects 50% of these previous 4 weeks price action. Okay, we still haven't corrected 50% yet. So let's see how that goes. The rally will come when nobody expects it to come. That is also true, right? Because we don't know what they're gonna do. All right, we can only guess how they're feeling. And right now, the story, especially for this month, is all eyes on Japan.
Yeah, and Ron, you did previously mention that. I mean, now we're hitting on December, right? It's December 1st. You recently said we want to see by the end of the year Bitcoin close above 96K.
Yeah, at least let's see. This is also in line with what Trader SZ said. So,
So 96K by the end of this month. Can we do it?
Or at least above yearly open, which is 93K.
93, okay.
Definitely plausible. Definitely plausible. We got, it's the start of December. A lot can happen. And I don't know if the myth is true. Is it really true that everything is quiet in December? No one's trading?
I think after December 19th, that's banking holidays, right, for Christmas.
That's true, yeah. Let's see. Last Christmas,
December
I gave
17th,
you my
I
heart.
think.
Here, okay. Last Christmas was this one. December. Last December, price opened at 96. Wick to as high as 108. I remember this. I was in Macau, remember? I was in Macau for my friend's wedding, and my friend was like, 108K is gonna keep going up and up and up, and they buy, but then the month closed at 93K. So maybe something like this can happen. We also have to be aware the top wick that we have for this month is not there, so it's very plausible we'll correct 50% of the, oh my god, yeah, see, 50% of this monthly candle is here,
which is
96 to 100K.
Right, we talked about that one before.
Yeah, this is inevitable. I'm very confident that we'll see this month. But the more important question is, what will price do once it comes here? Will it reject and keep going down? This will be more in line with the narrative of QT ending, the dump after the first few months dump after QTN, as well as the Japan carry trade unwind, if in fact the investors that invested in ETFs involve borrowed yen as part of their purchases. Okay. Hey, check BTC dominance.
Yeah, let's do it.
BTC dominance currently at 59.36%. I would expect it for sure to come up towards 6 to fill this week. This month. I think that's also the consensus on CT, which is true because that's further reinforce what happened this morning. Asia Open immediately dumped. So if the sentiment is bearish, of course alts are also bleeding against BTC, meaning if BTC were to rally, BTC dominance will also go up. What we don't want to see is BTC going down, but also BTC dominance going up. We need to see price and dominance go up, or at least, man, BTC, you hold the fort here. Okay, the alts, they go take a rest somewhere, they take a sleep. They sleep for a while. Okay, they remain dormant, they'll come back next time when their pairs against BTC will start resing up. Because as of now, let's see how others. BTC, it's not faring well. I mean, it's still between here and here where we marked. This was the October 10th Binance liquidation cascade, which is pretty fair because you can see here to here we are correcting 50% of that. But then again, this is alts, okay? It's still all eyes on BTC. Yeah.
It is. Dominance is gonna be. Oh, Zeno's here!
Hey, Zeno.
Hey, Zeno, join our chat.
Join the
Welcome
Discord.
Welcome to Discord,
Welcome
bro.
to Discord. OG rolls.
Yes, sir.
Wow, this is OG. It's not bad.
All the OGs. All right, we're gonna give OG badge, OG roll to the first 100.
Yes, we got more than 15 people now.
And we're doing a Christmas celebration this year.
Yep.
So make sure you guys come in, get those OG bags early. We're gonna just, it's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Loads of giveaway.
Loads of giveaways. It's gonna be a lot of value, and also like something I said to these guys as well is like we never really formed a good trading group.
Yeah.
So this is time where we have really established something really meaningful and deliver something of value. So we're gonna be also collecting some intel from you guys, like what you guys want, what you guys want to see, and we'll VIP service. If you want your ass wiped, we'll wipe your ass for you. That's how we're gonna do it. That's the way we roll now. So. Tell us what you need, guys. If it's charts, if it's indicators, we have full access to AskSurf as well.
Yep.
So we can actually generate daily reports. AskSurf actually is quite expensive if you think about their top plans for their VIP Max package. AskSurf Max is $299. So we can actually unlimited research for you guys. Give you guys some really good intel on the markets.
Daily, right?
Right? It's it costs us nothing. But hey, it might be valuable to other people. And I feel like this is something that we're missing out on. We're missing out on so much value that we can provide to you guys. So, yeah, make sure you guys tune in. I know I look horrible today. I'm trying to recover. I'm trying to run these days. Put me on max. I'm trying a little bit harder to not look like a total idiot, but hey, I still look like a total idiot. But hey, give me a week, okay? Give me a week. I want to run. I want to fix my
physically running.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I ran 5K yesterday. I'm trying to maintain that. So I'm gonna go for a little bit of a run right now.
Nice. Hey, we can get a workout plan by Michael. We can get skincare routine from Ron.
Yeah.
Morning routine.
Yeah. Cause I just realized I looked at it. I'm aging faster than I should be. I got a Whoop, right? So the Whoop's telling me, yo, you're aging like shit. Oh, I'm like, okay, I got this. Cut the alcohol. Go fucking run. There's a daily strain target you have to reach. So it's they gamified a physical activity, which I think is quite good. So it's every day it sets you a goal of how much you should train or whatever, right? Because it's designed for athletes. So I have a target, how long I need to be in zone 4, zone 5. I want to beat that record. So it's like, I guess it makes it really fun for me. Because like for me, I like setting goals for myself. And if someone sets these goals and it's like some AI sets this goal for me, I'm like, fuck it, I'll do it. You know, like AI says, hey, you know, I need to do like 5 minutes of zone 4, zone 5. Okay, sure, I'll do zone 4, zone 5.
Hey, that seems like a good product. I don't have it. Maybe you can
Yeah,
drop
yeah,
a link.
yeah, for Christmas.
You can drop a link.
Drop a
fair.
link. Drop a link. But that's what I've been playing around with, and it's like it's hell on my body because like I just feel so tired nowadays. So like I'm going through that initial phase of like just starting to work out, but like I'm hoping it'll be better. So like what I see is my resting heart rate's lower. So I think my resting heart rate was like absolute dog shit. I think I was like sitting at almost like 75, 72, but I'm trying to lower it to 69, so like in the 60s right now. So I'm just trying, you know, I'm trying to improve that resting heart rate, improve my VO2 max. There's a lot to do, man. So I'll join you guys on live stream tomorrow. Today I was just a little bit busy, but I'll join you guys on live tomorrow. We'll do more content, but come on the chat. You guys are the initial founders, so that's actually really matters. It actually matters a lot because you guys all stuck around with us for the longest time.
Yep.
So thank you guys.
That's
you.
Han Solo, XenoX, Note, Timujin, you guys.
Broderick, man, really, like takes me back memory lane seeing your guys' name.
Yeah, exactly. And we'll hook you guys up with some really good stuff coming up soon. So
Links here, Zeno, over here in my description.
Alcohol evidently on Michael's face. I have a little pimple here, so it's like really horrible. Trying to one punch man training. It's not easy, bro. It's not easy. Like I wish there was a pill I can take and just like lose weight, get fit all in one.
Yeah.
But it ain't happening, man. That ain't happening. It's all about hard work apparently. So like, yeah, you know, c'est la vie. All right, peace out,
C'est
guys.
la vie. Peace out. Yeah, man, dude. Let's get the party started. All right.
Anything else? Anything else we want to bring up?
Let's see. I think today, you know, all I've been doing is just trading fart coin, dude. Fart coin.
Fart coin.
Yeah, just 50% correction.
And guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us. We can do a little bit of a Q&A segment. Big Tuna says, what about me? Yes, bro, of course you as well.
Big Tuna.
Yeah.
Of course. Beats Battlestar Galactica. Okay, so in terms of BTC, what do I expect today? Same thing, 50% correction. Seems like it's happening already. No, not really. Wow. 5-minute time frame. Yeah, since the Tokyo Open, this area will get filled again. Thinking pre-New York session, this price will come back here again, but let's see what price is going to do. Right. So if like, dude, my strategy is so simple. It's you. If there's an impulsive move, you just take the fib and see where the 50% correction is. Okay. And if price, because it's guaranteed, price will go there.
Wait, no. Leave that for the Discord. Leave that for the Discord. Leave the sauce for Discord.
Leave the sauce for Discord. All right. We'll do that on the Discord.
Yup.
What's that? You got G Monad airdrop note says, yeah, apparently I do, but it's not worth anything, so I'm not gonna bother swapping it. And plus it's like kind of dodgy, even on Uniswap, but like I don't want to swap. Yeah. Also speaking of Monad, thank God I sold. Holy crap, I knew this was gonna happen.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
I told you guys to short it.
I sold it at 36. It did come towards here. It was ranging. But off of this break, I realized, yeah, the market participants thought this area was too expensive to hold, so they just offload. Case in point, who sold here?
Arthur Hayes.
Arthur Hayes, okay.
Yeah, but he also said, like, yo, let's buy some right there.
Yeah,
something.
he said, let's buy here, $1 to $10. But now he's like, nope, out, send this shit to 0. And it's pretty funny because he's been beefing with Keon Han.
Yeah, they've been going back and forth. I see that on X.
Yeah. What did Keon Han say? The steady lads. Yeah, Keon Han was also justifying about, you know, it's okay. What's your point that he's trying to say? Where is it? Let me see. Keon Han. Yeah, here. I respect what you have built for the industry. Yeah, don't forget, Arthur Hayes is the one that invented perpetual futures. Okay, so you have Mr. Arthur Hayes to thank for your degen, your degen behavior, my
Yep.
degen behavior.
Thanks, bro, for the addiction.
For the addiction, yes. It's basically like the same thing, dude. Like, bro, you were launching a sports brand when you already have Nike, Adidas, Under Armour coming in. Well, maybe you can say Monad is like Under Armour. Back when Nike and Adidas and Air Jordan were hot. Because Under Armour did come hot. I mean, it took them for a while to become hot. Especially when Steph Curry came in. Monad became hot. I mean, what? Under Armour became hot. But, it's the same question. Why should I use Monad when I can already use Solana, right?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Who needs another L1?
Who needs another L1, right? Like, yeah, your tech may be great. You might be posting all the codes on GitHub for everyone to audit and fact check. And the fact that their unique feature is async execution, which is like icing on top of the cake of Solana's execution parameters. But brother, I mean,
It's okay. We made our bag already.
we made our bag already. And thank you for the money.
Thanks for the money, man.
And if it goes, then it goes. You'll never be able to tell. But what we can tell right now is, man, USDC is already moving out of Monad.
Yes. It's like dating. On to the next.
On to the next. Look,
Yep.
fees paid over the past 24 hours on Uniswap. They're just swapping to USDC and get the fuck out. Right? That's what's been happening. Like, yeah, I mean, if your DEX is the number one in wait, that's TVL. Where's volume? Fees paid. Volume, yeah, DEX volume. 106. Wait, Artemis Research. I actually want to dig in a bit deep. Because they have great tech and all, but it has nothing to do with the token. Okay, what's the utility of the token? Okay, then again, it's inflationary if there's a staking feature. Ha! Big mistake for Cosmos tokens. My God, we're down 92% from staking Tia, from staking Atom at one point. Buying all those tokens, staking them in mid 2023, and then it started to pump. Okay, in like Q4 2023, I was up big, but I never sold because I thought, oh yeah, we're gonna get all the airdrops. But then, I know, fucking dumbass me, I realized, oh yeah, all of this shit is inflationary. It doesn't make sense to stake one token and then to get the same token as rewards because it's an altcoin.
We've all made mistakes.
Yeah, we've all made mistakes. So just think about staking. It's such a trap. If the rewards are in BTC, are in blue chips like BTC, ETH, SOL, USDC, USDT, take it. If it's anything else, don't take it. You can if you are good at yield farms. Rebalancing your position, that's something Michael was really good at in DeFi Summer, but it's harder said than done. Where did it go? Our research. Launch terminal, there it is. See a bit more in depth with Monad. Chain. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's not much, brother. There's not much, brother. So if there's going to be a redemption arc for Monad, it's going to take a while. It's going to take a while. Especially the fact that, like, bro, it's the same story as Tia. 50% of the tokens are still locked. They're going to yeet that shit the moment it's unlocked. It took me 2 years to learn this mistake. J2 says, when Alex Becker capitulate, that's when we can have the start of all season. Has he been selling? Has Alex Becker been selling?
I think he did mention that a little bit.
Really?
In his last video.
Oh. That'd be funny as fuck, though. Altcoins champion is Alex Becker.
Yeah. But he also bought his bags 2 years ago, so
Oh yeah. So he was up already like a long time ago.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, any last thoughts?
Yeah.
Humidify are taking over Meteor Spot in volume.
What happened to Soy these days? No hype coming from them now. It's just treated as an alt. Because when prices are slumping, of course DeFi activity would also be slumping. So most of the activities are on Sol and ETH. And by extension, Base. Yeah. Alright, so guys, join our Discord if you haven't already. Soon we'll have more features in the Discord channel, but what we really want is for you guys to tell us, what do you need? Okay, you're trading, what do you need? You want to understand what your strategy is better? From my point of view, we get in a one-on-one session, right? We talk, we chill, we chat, and just let us know. Alright, oh my god, Zeno with the there's a bunch of Nitro users. They're just flexing their banners. Crazy.
Touch, stake, get baked.
Yeah, exactly.
Kimujin. Wise words.
Wise words.
Guys, remember, it doesn't matter how hard you work. It's about how hard you are at work.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, so remember, never stay corny. Always stay horny.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Make sure you join the Discord, guys.
All right. Join our Discord. We'll catch you on later. Oh, and also,
Alright, Forex Factory.
yeah, tonight it's gonna be, let's see, ISM Manufacturing PMI, and wait, they moved it up again. What?
Okay.
Oh yeah, 3 p.m. UTC will be labor market data from manufacturing industry. So I'll tune in live during that time, but it's just going to be chill. We're just going to look at the chart, and then if the reading comes out, and let's see what the readings are going to be. And we'll make this a habit, really, just because it's very interesting. Like, New York session is very volatile. And also, holy crap, tomorrow, Jerome Powell will speak. This just came up, by the way. This wasn't here yesterday. This was here today. So, Jerome Powell's going to speak tomorrow, 1 a.m. UTC. It's gonna be so early for me.
Not sure
but
what that's about, but it doesn't seem to be super important. Doesn't seem to be super high impact.
Oh, it's a panel discussion. So it's medium impact.
So it's probably boring then.
Probably boring, but you know.
It's Jerome Powell. So.
Yeah. All right.
That guy's a meme.
That guy's a meme. That guy's the power. All right, boys. Like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Follow me on X. Follow Box Mining Martin on X. Join our Discord. We'll catch you guys later. My name is Ron.
Martin.
Shanana.
Peace.